Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record daily wins using Reflectly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you gotta do to simply record daily wins in Reflectly is simply open Reflectly. Once you open your Reflectly, then you need to simply tap on it and get signed in into your account. So you need to start a new entry or check-in. The app will typically prompt you for a mood check, and you can simply find it as a journal and mood check-in platform. So you can select your mood accordingly. You can choose the emoji or the mood that best represents your overall feeling for the day, respond to the prompts, and write down your wins. You can add details, which is completely optional, and save your entry. So the best tip for success is consistency, as this is the key. You need to focus on the positives rather than the negatives. You need to review your progress and customize the app according to your experience. So this is how you can record daily wins using Reflectly. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.